This is the Breckenridge. Oh, I got it. Welcome back, motherfucker.
Welcome back, bitch ass motherfucker.
The Breckenridge Brewing Avalanche Amber Ale. Caramel malt body, light hop character, 5%. Pepper jack cheese. Kids, go. This will be the damn noisiest beer reviews ever. I should tell him about that time that he let a midget shit on his chest. I can't smell anything. Maybe like a little bit of malts. This is by far the worst one of the 5-pack. 15-pack, 5 different flavors. 5% alcohol. The alcohol tastes way higher than that. And I don't know. It don't really have any flavor. It's like weird water.
Huh.
Pond water.
Pond water.
Lower than the last one. It's bad.
What? Do you actually get any decent flavor at all?
No, like it's like malty water.
Yuck.
And you can taste the alcohol, which is really weird, being 5%. Like it's like a cheap alcohol taste. I wouldn't say this tastes like there's more alcohol, but the alcohol that you can tell is there it's weird. It's like hand sanitizer or something.
Yeah.
It's funky. But Casey just drank one of these and he said it wasn't bad. This one's weird.
Huh.
Is this what it tasted like before? He says no. I don't know. It's weird. I don't like it.
Okay.
I'm not drinking it.
So you're done?
With that, yeah. Let's go on Facebook, motherfucker.
Calm down.